My Home, written by Luma Azar, illustrated by Geehad Gharaibeh, published by Jabal Amman Publishing. I am a turtle. I carry my home on my back. Sometimes I get tired of carrying my heavy shell, but it is my home and it is always with me. It shelters me from heat, cold, danger, and noise when I sleep. I am an ant. This is my home. My family is inside. We worked very hard to dig our home up tunnels. Sometimes our home collapses, so we dig a new one. It shelters us from heat, cold, danger, and noise when we sleep. I am a clownfish. This is my home. My family lives inside. It shelters us from heat, cold, danger, and noise when we sleep. Sometimes divers destroy our home, so we move to a new one. I am a bird. This is my home. I gather straw and sticks to build it from my eggs. When my eggs hatch and the babies grow up, they leave the nest. Next year, I will make a new nest for my new eggs. It shelters them from heat, cold, danger, and noise when we sleep. I am a girl. This is my home. I live in it with my family. It shelters us from heat, cold, danger, and noise when we sleep. But if it ever becomes unsafe, we can take our belongings and move to a new house. These are our homes. We carry them, find new ones, and build them again. We love them and find serenity in them. They shelter us from heat, cold, danger, and noise when we sleep. No matter where it is, our home has our family inside, and wherever it goes, we can make new friends